In this video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on PlayStation 5 with PlayStation 4 controller. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you have a DualShock 4 controller, you will be able to natively connect it to your PlayStation 5 through two main methods, and you will be able to use it to power on and manage your console. So in order to connect it properly to your PlayStation 5, you will be able to choose between a wired connection or wireless. So first, if you want the wired connection, all that you have to do is use any available cable, plug one end into the controller, and then another one going into any of the available ports on your PlayStation 5. As long as you properly connect it, it is going to be entirely usable for any games. It should have native support, and you will be able to navigate through the menus, play, and so on. And of course, you can use the PlayStation button to power on the console. Everything should work flawlessly because it is designed for the same console line. Now, if you want to connect it wirelessly, then the process is mostly the same. For a wireless connection, you will have to put it into pairing mode. To do this, press and hold the PlayStation button and the share button simultaneously for a couple of seconds. After you do this for a while, it is going to enter Bluetooth pairing mode. So now, if you go over to the settings on your PlayStation 5 and you access the accessories and then Bluetooth accessories, you will be able to find it under the list. All that you have to do now is choose the option to connect the DualShock controller. Usually it is just going to be labeled wireless controller, and after it is successfully connected, it will remain connected every single subsequent time that you power it on, and it should automatically power off on the PlayStation 5 as well. If it doesn't work, then it could mean that the console needs to be into rest mode instead of being fully powered off, but as long as you establish a connection and you try pressing any of the buttons, it should wake it up successfully. And if you try everything and it doesn't work, I would recommend reconnecting the controller and seeing if that fixes it. I hope I was able to help you on how to turn on PlayStation 5 with PlayStation 4 controller. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.